thunderstorm warning for southeastern Rock County and south central Wisconsin, western Walworth County and southeast Wisconsin until 5:15 p.m. At 4:22 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Janesville Airport, or near Beloit, and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Delavan Lake, Williams Bay, Clinton, Sharon, Darien, Walworth, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Chaudière, Kippany, Emerald Grove, Avalon, Johnstown Center, Allens Grove, Richmond, Fontana, Millard and Tibbetts. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KX-41 Crystal Lake. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for McHenry, Lake, Cook, Boone and northern Kane counties in Illinois, as well as Walworth and Kenosha counties in Wisconsin. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 4:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
The National Weather Service in Sullivan